Hygge. The Hygge cabin is the ultimate blend of simplicity and luxury, wrapped in a beautifully minimalist design. Made for those who crave peace and quiet, it's built with eco-friendly materials and fits seamlessly into natural landscapes. The cabin offers a cozy interior with a queen-sized bed, a compact yet fully equipped kitchen, and a sleek bathroom. Large floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to flood in, creating a calming atmosphere while offering breathtaking views of forests, lakes, or mountains. Built to operate in remote areas, it's ideal for off-grid escapes while maintaining the comforts of modern living. The wooden aesthetic, soft lighting, and smart use of space make Hygge a top pick for digital detox retreats or romantic getaways. Eco-capsule. The eco-capsule is a marvel of futuristic, sustainable design, created for individuals who dream of off-grid freedom without giving up modern comforts. This egg-shaped micro-home is entirely self-sufficient, powered by built-in solar panels and a wind turbine, with a system that collects and purifies rainwater. Inside its curved, compact shell, the capsule features a bed for two, a kitchenette, a workspace, and a bathroom complete with a shower and composting toilet. All this is packed into a structure small enough to be transported by car or helicopter. The insulation keeps it warm in cold climates and cool in heat, making it suitable for use anywhere from mountains to deserts. Ideal for researchers, eco-tourists, or digital nomads, the eco-capsule stands as a solution for sustainable, mobile living in the 21st century. Mystique Tent. The Mystique Tent is not your typical camping experience. It's luxury glamping at its finest. Designed with high-quality canvas and supported by a strong wooden or steel frame, the tent creates an elegant space that's as stylish as it is functional. Inside, you'll often find a plush bed with crisp linens, a seating area with cozy furniture, and sometimes even a private ensuite bathroom. These tents are built for the outdoors but offer the comfort of a boutique hotel, making them popular in safari lodges, mountain retreats, and forested resorts. The breathable fabric allows airflow, while large windows or roll-up sides bring you closer to nature without compromising privacy. Mystique tents are a favorite among eco-conscious travelers who want to enjoy the wilderness with a touch of luxury. Tricycle house. The tricycle house is a brilliant concept that challenges how we define mobility and shelter. Developed by Chinese architects to address rising housing costs and urban overcrowding, this fully functional home is built on a tricycle base and made from translucent plastic panels that fold and unfold. Inside, you'll find a cleverly compact interior with fold-out furniture including a bed, desk, storage, a cooking space, and even a bathtub. Its lightweight structure allows it to be pedaled through city streets, offering freedom of movement without the need for land ownership. More than just a quirky invention, the tricycle house is a statement on flexible living, sustainability, and urban resilience. It's a creative response to limited space and rising rent prices in major cities, reminding us that innovation can come from necessity. KBN Jude. KBN Jude is a beautifully secluded cabin nestled in the wilderness of South Australia, designed to help people unplug from their fast-paced lives. With no TV, Wi-Fi, or modern distractions, this off-grid retreat encourages guests to reconnect with themselves and the natural world. The cabin features a minimalist interior with sustainable finishes, including a queen-sized bed, a small kitchenette, solar-powered lighting, and a composting toilet. Rainwater tanks supply water for basic needs, and the large picture windows offer stunning views of the surrounding forest or fields. KBN Jude's architecture blends effortlessly into its environment, emphasizing simplicity, privacy, and peace. It's more than a place to stay. It's a slow living experience. Perfect for couples, solo travelers, or creatives seeking inspiration, KBN Jude represents the growing desire for nature-based wellness and sustainable travel. Buoy capsule. Floating serenely on calm waters, the buoy capsule redefines what it means to live on the water. This futuristic pod is shaped like a bubble and is designed to rest on lakes, harbors, or quiet bays, offering a peaceful and immersive experience. The compact interior includes a comfortable bed, a kitchenette, a bathroom, and lounge seating, all surrounded by panoramic windows that deliver uninterrupted views of the water and sky. Solar panels power the capsule, and it features eco-friendly systems that reduce environmental impact. Built with stability in mind, the capsule is safe and cozy even on windy days. Whether you're watching a sunrise reflect on the water or falling asleep to gentle waves, the buoy capsule offers a unique kind of serenity. It's a dream come true for anyone who's ever wanted to live on the water without a traditional houseboat. Cabin A, NNA. Cabin A, NNA is a revolutionary modular cabin that transforms physically to suit your mood and environment. Created by architect Casper Scholes, the cabin features layers of sliding wooden and glass panels that allow it to expand or contract like a living sculpture. You can open it up completely to let the landscape in or close it tightly for warmth and privacy. Inside, it offers a cozy bedroom, compact kitchen, and a smartly designed bathroom, all within a minimalistic and elegant frame. The flexibility of the design makes Cabin ANNA suitable for any season, letting you enjoy nature without leaving your comfort zone. Its materials are sustainably sourced, and its design is meant to foster mindfulness and simplicity. Cabin ANNA blurs the line between indoors and outdoors, between shelter and openness, offering a dynamic space that grows and breathes with you. Urban pods. Urban pods are a modern response to the growing demand for efficient and sustainable living in crowded cities. These sleek, prefabricated units are designed with urban spaces in mind and can serve as compact homes, workspaces, or even student accommodations. Each pod is made from eco-friendly materials and packed with smart technology, including climate control, voice-activated lighting, and integrated furniture systems. Despite their small footprint, they offer a complete living experience, featuring a sleeping area, kitchen, bathroom, and workspace, all in one streamlined layout. Urban pods can be installed quickly in unused city lots, rooftops, or modular housing parks, making them a viable solution to urban housing shortages. With futuristic design and intelligent functionality, urban pods offer a glimpse into how cities can evolve to be more sustainable, efficient, and inclusive. Nolla cabins. Tucked away in the natural beauty of Finland, Nolla cabins are designed to promote zero-emission living through smart simplicity. These A-frame cabins are compact, off-grid, and built from locally sourced materials, creating a minimal environmental impact from construction to use. Inside, the space is small but well-designed, with just enough room for a bed, a table, and a small cooking area powered by biofuel. The cabin operates without running water or electricity from the grid. Instead, it uses solar panels and portable systems. Positioned on rocky shores or forest clearings, Nolla offers a raw, immersive experience in nature, encouraging mindfulness and reflection. Nolla means zero in Finnish, and the name symbolizes the cabin's eco-footprint as well as its philosophy: minimalism in lifestyle and environmental impact. Drop structures. Drop structures are sleek, prefab micro-cabins designed for instant placement in remote areas. Their most popular model, the Mono, includes a bed, kitchenette, bathroom, and massive windows for panoramic views. Built from durable, weather-resistant materials and fully insulated, these cabins are ready for year-round use. They can be installed in just a day, making them ideal for retreats, rentals, or minimalist living. The clean, modern design blends beautifully with nature, offering both comfort and style. With an emphasis on simplicity and connection to the outdoors, drop structures give you the freedom to create your own off-grid sanctuary with ease. Baluchon Nano. The Baluchon Nano is a beautifully handcrafted tiny house on wheels from France. It features a timber frame, rustic design, and eco-conscious details. Inside, there's a sleeping loft, kitchen, living space, and bathroom, all within a compact layout that makes use of every inch. Each Nano is custom-built, reflecting the owner's taste and needs, with options like solar panels and composting toilets. Lightweight and mobile, it's easy to tow and perfect for travelers or minimalist living. Whether placed in nature or on the road, the Baluchon Nano offers charm, comfort, and freedom in a small, sustainable package. 3 by 6 meter house. This ultra-compact 3 by 6 meter home proves that good design isn't about size. It's about smart use of space. With a footprint of just 18 square meters, it includes a lofted bedroom, living area, kitchen and bathroom. Clever storage, foldable furniture, and vertical design make it feel spacious and functional. These homes are perfect for backyard units, urban infill, or off-grid retreats. They can be built on wheels or a permanent foundation, and often come equipped with solar power and insulation. Efficient, affordable, and cozy, the 3 by 6 house is an ideal choice for those who want to live small without sacrificing comfort. Houseboat by Aqua House. The Houseboat by Aqua House lets you live on water in style. Designed for sustainability, it features solar power, a bio-toilet, and water purification. The layout includes a bedroom, lounge, kitchen, and bathroom, all with stunning views. Its sleek design and large windows bring in natural light and connect you with the outdoors. Whether moored on a river, lake, or marina, the houseboat is a peaceful, mobile home for nature lovers. It's also customizable for off-grid use or modern amenities. Aqua House blends innovation and tranquility, making it a perfect escape for those dreaming of floating freedom. Smart Dome. Smart Dome is a futuristic dome-shaped home built for efficiency and portability. Based on geodesic design, it's weather-resistant and insulated for year-round use. Inside, it features an open-plan layout with space for sleeping, cooking, and relaxing. The spherical shape boosts natural airflow and energy savings. These domes are ideal for eco-resorts, retreats, or minimalist homes, and they can be linked together for larger living setups, with options for solar power, rainwater harvesting, and smart home features. Smart Dome is as functional as it is striking. It's a bold, modern approach to small, sustainable living, perfect for thinking outside the box or dome. Coda Loft. Coda Loft is a prefabricated tiny home designed for modern, minimalist living. Its cube-shaped design includes a high ceiling, large windows, and sleek interior finishes. The space fits a kitchen, bathroom, sleeping area, and lounge, all in a compact layout. Fully insulated and energy efficient, Coda can be installed on any flat surface with no foundation needed. It's perfect for urban rooftops, rural retreats, or backyard studios. Built for mobility and style, Coda Loft arrives ready to use, often within a day. With its smart layout and striking appearance, Coda offers a stylish, flexible solution for future-forward living. OOD Golden House. The OOD Golden House is a reflective micro-cabin wrapped in mirrored gold glass that blends into its surroundings. This artistic tiny home features a simple yet elegant interior with a bed, desk, and kitchenette. A large round window frames the outside world, turning nature into living art. Built for off-grid use, it includes options for solar power and smart heating. Designed by UOD in Estonia, it's ideal for retreats, rentals, or peaceful escapes. The striking exterior offers privacy while reflecting the landscape around it. The OOD Golden House is both a home and a statement, where architecture meets nature. Kolaliba Mini Pods. Kolaliba Mini Pods are compact, mobile cabins designed in Bulgaria for off-grid adventures. These lightweight pods are easy to tow and feature a cozy layout with a sleeping area, kitchenette, and small dining nook. Built from sustainable wood, they often include solar panels and composting toilets for eco-conscious travel. Their design varies from rustic to modern, making them suitable for a variety of uses: glamping, remote workspaces, or personal retreats. Kolaliba pods embody simplicity and freedom, giving you everything you need to live small and travel far. It's a perfect way to embrace the road without leaving home behind. House. Tiny House. House is a sleek, architect-designed tiny home built for sustainable, stylish living. With under 25 square meters of space, it includes a full kitchen, bathroom, lofted bedroom, and bright living area. Large windows and smart layout make it feel open and airy. Each house is custom-built with eco-friendly materials and options for off-grid living. It's ideal for permanent homes, guest houses, or remote studios. Whether set in the forest or near the coast, House combines beautiful design with practical function. It's small, but every detail is intentional, showing that tiny living can still be elegant and efficient. Loft Cube is a futuristic prefab pod designed to sit on rooftops, open land, or wherever views are best. With a sleek, glassy design and modular interior, it offers a bed, bathroom, kitchen, and lounge in one open space. The lightweight structure can be installed in hours and relocated easily, perfect for urban expansion or nature retreats. Created by German designer Werner Eislinger, the Loft Cube is all about flexibility and modern aesthetics. It blends luxury with mobility, giving you the chance to live anywhere without sacrificing comfort. Whether high above the city or deep in nature, Loft Cube redefines the meaning of home.